It's axiomatic that training is critical to any organization. You want to develop your people, you want to move your organization into the future, and the way to do that is to train your people in a wide variety of different skills that are related to the business outcomes that you want to achieve. You basically have two choices when you want to do training. Number one, you can use in-house resources to accomplish the training, and that's often a very great option. You also have the option of using outside resources, and they bring two important benefits to the training experience. Number one, outside trainers always realize that the best way people learn is through the adult learning sequence. That means, one, you give a discussion. Two, you allow the person to practice what you've discussed in a safe setting. Three, you give feedback on that practice. Four, you allow additional practice as necessary and additional feedback as necessary. Outside trainers always utilize the adult learning sequence, and it means that the training will be optimal. The second thing that outside trainers do is that they usually employ metrics that will give you your return on investment in the training. They often use the classic pre-test, post-test system, which is very beneficial because let's say for example you want to improve the sales closing rate in your call center. Then you evaluate the person in a pre-test before they've taken the training, what their closing rate is. Then you give the training with the practice and the feedback. And then finally, you evaluate them after the training is completed. Outside trainers will establish these metrics to show you the ROI and the benefits of your training. So I would ask you, yes, of course, you want to train your people. How do you want to do it? Do you want to use inside resources or do you want to use external resources? There are benefits of both. It's very important that you train, and it's very important that you get an enormous ROI from your training.